Welcome to the QR Code It website. This is a short demonstration video to show you how to get started with QR codes using the QR Code It website. QR codes allow you to engage mobile phone users with your business. The users might be customers, staff, suppliers, or the general public. To see what you can do with QR codes, take a look at the Find Out More page. Click on Types of Codes. You can see here the different types of things you can do with QR codes. Click on YouTube Video. You can see on the right what the service is for, where you can use it, and some common examples. A simple example is to create a YouTube video for a business promotion and point a new QR code at that video. Clicking on the other service types shows you more information about the different services available. After creating your free account, you can log into the system and trial the site. Here we have an existing account that we will use to log in with. Having logged in, you will see the Manage Your Codes page. Because you have not yet created any codes, you will see the message No Current Entries. To add new codes to your account, click on the Add a New Code button. You will then see the Create a New Code page. In this page you can select from the different code types that are available. There are two main groups of service type: dynamic and static. Clicking on the static versus dynamic link shows a description of the difference. Briefly, dynamic codes connect from the phone and run on the server. Static codes are quite limited and only run on the phone. As an example, here we will create a YouTube service. To do this, we click on the YouTube Video button. To create the service, we click on the Create YouTube Service button. This then takes you to the editing page for the YouTube service type. Default settings are included for the service. On the left are the different inputs that you can enter to build the service. On the right is what the service will look like on the phone when the code is scanned. We enter the name of the service as well as the YouTube URL. Make setting changes to suit your requirement. Here we will simply create a service with the default settings. When the selections are complete, click on the Create New QR Code button. The code will then be generated and you will be returned to the code list with your new QR code visible in the list. When the code is created, it has the default format. It is possible to edit the format of the code. To do this, click on the Code Edit button. This will open the code editing view. A variety of parts of the code can be edited. Eyes or positioning detectors are the large square areas on 3 of the corners. When you have made changes, you can update the code by clicking on the Update QR Code button. It's recommended to have a good contrast of background color to foreground color. The most common combination is white background to black foreground. To have a logo added to the code, you need to have added a logo to your account first. When you have completed editing the code, click on the Return button to return to the QR code list. Services can be paused and then restarted. The service is then unavailable to users scanning the code without completely deleting the code. To pause a service, click on the yellow Pause button. The code disappears from active visible codes. Click on Paused in the menu to see the yellow paused service. Click on All to see the paused and active services. If you click on the Open Service in a new window button, you can verify what the person scanning the code will see. The service is now in a paused state. Click on the Restart the QR Code button, and the service is restarted. Check the service has restarted by clicking again on the Open Service in a new window button. You can edit the service after it has been created. To open the editing view, click on Edit the Service or the service heading. After you have completed your changes, click on the Save Changes button. You will return to the codes list. When users scan the code, they will now see the changes you have made. To delete a code, click on the red Delete the QR code button. You are then asked to confirm the deletion. If you click Delete it, then this will permanently delete the code. Here we will cancel because we plan to use this code. Your QR codes can be used in countless ways in a business. Use in flyers and packaging. Documenting procedures. Information about your business and its location. Events bookings. Feedback from your customers. To use your QR code, begin by downloading the code. Here we will use a PNG file format. This is what is most commonly used. Use an SVG format where the image needs to be very large, for example, when used on a billboard. Here we see the downloaded file appearing in the Downloads folder. Open your desktop document. I'm putting this in Word. Reduce the size to fit into the final document. In this case it is promotional material. Then embed the code into the final document. Make sure that you confirm that the code runs OK on your own phone. That looks great. Everything is working well there. To customize your account for your business or personal use, you can change some account settings. In the Account tab, you have the option of changing your account name. Select the Settings tab. You can then add your business logo to your account. Here we will add the QR code logo to this account. You can also set your local time zone. Click on Manage from the main menu to return to the Manage Your Codes page. Try a free account with the QR code at website today and begin taking advantage of the many ways your business can use QR codes.